vehicle at 128 miles per hour. Hearing good control on the roll from teams in Mission Control Houston. All good calls so far. Now 30 seconds into the flight of Artemis 1. First milestone will be for the vehicle to pass through max Q in about 1 minute and 9 seconds into launch. This is the greatest period of atmospheric force on the rocket. SLS now traveling 600.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, baby. Oh my God! He's doing it! Oh my God! Oh my God! You're flying, Dad! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Yes! Here it goes, baby! That's what I'm saying! There's the thunder, baby! Oh my God! Yes! Yes! Take that, Elon. Oh my God, baby! Keep going! You keep going! Yeah! Go, baby, go! Oh my...
All right, the booster should be separated.